Looks like the lugs and studs are all in pretty good shape. Not a lot of corrosion. In fact, I don't see any corrosion. That is awesome. Yeah, I soaked these things in penetrating oil for about 6 months. And they just spun right off. It was insane. Alright, hub looks to be in good shape too. No issues I can see. I don't have time now to open this thing up, check the brakes and the bearings. I'm just trying to get some new shoes on her so I can get her in for an inspection. I got dry rot in that tire over there, so I have to replace both of these. I forgot I replaced the front wheels. Pry bar.